Hi, I'm Jason Earl, creator of the Got Mold Test Kit. Chances are, if you're here watching this video, you're concerned about mold in your home. If that's the case, you're in the right place.
According to the World Health Organization, healthy indoor air is a basic human right. My question is, why is it sometimes cost prohibitive? My own childhood was riddled with asthma and allergies, so severe that when I was 4 years old, I was falsely diagnosed with cystic fibrosis. What I was actually suffering from was asthma compounded by pneumonia, and I was literally allergic to everything in my environment. Grass, wheat, corn, eggs, dogs, cats, even cotton. It wasn't until I was 12 years old when we moved out of that moldy house that all my symptoms went away. Fast forward, after a successful career on Wall Street, the realization that the underlying cause of my illness was actually the home that I grew up in led me into the healthy home business in 2002. And over the last 17 years, through my company, 1-800-GOT-MOLD, we've done thousands of inspections. Our success in healing these sick homes has been documented on Good Morning America, Extreme Makeover Home Edition, Dr. Oz, and hundreds of newspapers and magazines, even a college biology textbook.
Unfortunately, most of our services were out of reach in terms of cost and availability. So it was with that concern that we created the Got Mold Test Kit. Using the same devices that professionals use, but for a fraction of the cost, you can now test the air in your home without having to schedule appointments, without any of the hassle or expense. So look around our website, let us know if you have any questions. We're here to help.